is a gazelle? Oh, never mind. I had thought this was a gazelle, but I was wrong. Because take a close look at the horns. Notice how they're kind of shaped like an S. Okay, so now let's compare this original specimen to this new one. It looks similar, but if you look closely, these horns are much straighter. We have been fooled by an herbivore. Devastating. What are these? The mammal with straight horns is a gazelle, and the mammal with curved horns is something different. It has long, flat teeth and horns with rings, just like a gazelle. But it's entirely different because if it has S-shaped horns, it's a type of animal called an impala.